Hey guys, and happy 2019. So I know this is a couple of days late as I'm recording this on the 2nd. I thought I'd show you some of my favourite things that I got in 2018. As you can tell from all of this stuff around me, I like things. Maybe that's materialistic, maybe it's not, but I enjoy having, cool stuff around. So I figured I'd show you my 5 top favourite things that I got in 2018. So let's get started. So first off, and this is an easy decision, is my Bobsleigh Kit and Medals. So this is the new kit that we got this year for my team. So all 5 of us got it. And this is one of my first bobsleigh medals. Now, my actual first ever medal I gave to my dad as a Christmas present. So I don't have that with me anymore. So I just have my second medal, which I got in Lake Placid. My first one was in Park City in the 2-man. And this is Lake Placid, also in the 2-man. So yeah, I'll show you the back. I love the kit. I love, the fact that we're having a good season. So easily my favourite thing of 2018 is just all the stuff to do with how well the bobsleigh has gone in the last couple of months of this year. Okay, so now on to the stuff that anyone can buy, but that I've been enjoying. So first off is my Bokeh Carbon-Fibre Pen. Now, I don't actually write that much, to be fair, but I just like a sleek pen that is just kind of cool and that I've got with me. Now, the reason I like this one is it's actually bolt action, like that, which kind of makes it a bit of just like a fidget toy as well, more so than just clicking it. It's not quite as obnoxious as just clicking a pen as well. It's got a carbon fibre body, nice metal clip, and it writes really smoothly. I got this from I think it was a knife company or something in the UK, but I've been using this a bunch. It's my go-to pen. I actually bought another while I was out in the States, just because, love it that much. So it's a really nice pen, and I highly recommend it. Next up is my Nintendo Switch. So the reason I like this so much, I just got it for Christmas, along with a bunch of other people, I'm sure. It was a very popular Christmas present this year. This was actually given to me by my brother, and I was completely not expecting it. Not expecting it at all. I had a couple of things that I'd asked for, and realistically, I thought I'd get one of them. The other one was an Echo Show, which is just here. Alexa, say hello.
Hi there.
There you go. And then the other big item that I wanted was the Switch, and I just did not think that my brother was going to be the one to get me that. So super stoked on that. I've got Mario Kart on there, which I'm looking forward to playing against my friends and obviously beating them at. Okay, moving on. The next thing is my Pulseroll. Now, my full foam roller is actually in Canada as I film this because I've been using it with the season. So this is my Vibrating Peanut. So it's basically a vibrating foam roller, and these two things, this and the full roller, have completely changed training for me. It's not an over-exaggeration to say that these have literally changed the game for me in training. Just the release that I've been able to get through my hips especially, which have always been a problem issue, compared to regular rolling, compared to regular peanuts and massage balls. It's honestly been a game changer. So all the guys at Pulseroll are really nice guys. I've met them a couple of times in the gym. Honestly, like if you're into training, if you're into any of that stuff, all the way from, elite sport down to just recreationally going to the gym a couple of times a week, the Pulseroll has been a total game changer for me. So can't recommend that enough. Yeah, brilliant piece of kit. So it was an easy decision putting it in my top 5. Okay, lastly, on the 5 is my Nomatic Travel Bag. This is actually the second one that I've bought, which is a testament to how good they are. This is the 30-litre one. I have the 40-litre one as well. And it's just the perfect bag. Now, there's a lot of other bags that will have, pretty much every bag has a couple of features. The difference with the Nomatic Travel Bag is it just has everything you need or want in a travel bag. Obviously, I do a lot of traveling, some of it out of my van, some of it internationally, or even, going to Everest Base Camp, which I took my Nomatic Travel Bag to, and it's just been faultless, absolutely faultless. So yeah, I really recommend it. And I know it's expensive for a bag, but personally, I would rather pay more and have something that just nails it than get a slightly cheaper one and have issues with it, be it with durability or the features not being quite right. But honestly, Nomatic are making great gear, and I think it's worth every penny of it. That's why I've bought another, because I'm going to use this one as my gym bag and the other one as my travel bag because I love it that much. Okay, guys, so that's 2018 in the books. I hope you enjoyed just seeing my favourite stuff. I hope that was at least mildly amusing to you. The links to buy everything will be down in the description. Go check them out, especially Pulseroll, because those guys, they're great guys, and honestly, can't express it enough. Changed the game for me. So have a great 2019, guys. I'll definitely be doing more videos going into 2019. Got some interesting content, including the full travel vlog from Everest, which I've yet to upload. So please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Really want to get this channel running. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.